I'm Germany and England. Oh, you're from England. Why do Chinese people pretend to be Filipino or Thailand? Hey, I'm Filipino. I took Tagalog. I'm not pretending to be Chinese. Why did you see that I'm Chinese? I live in Cebu. I don't know. I don't pretend to be Chinese. To be not Chinese. I'm Filipino. You have Chinese eyes. I have Chinese eyes? I do? I am Filipino. I took Tagalog. Mahal kita. Nakatira ako sa Pilipinas. Why you think I'm Chinese? I blossom. I'm literally a Filipino. If you look at my blog, I took Tagalog. I don't took Chinese.